You think your vote matters. It doesn't. You are just a face in the crowd, reminding the elite they are replaceable. The masses are the threat that keeps the essentials loyal. If they fail, 1,000,000 of you are waiting.
The masses are the threat that keeps the elite loyal. A large selectorate is a shield. The more people who want the job, the cheaper the current occupant becomes.
Competition is the best tool of submission. If you don't obey, there is a long line waiting.
Competition is the best tool of submission.
Lenin was a master of the pool. He gave everyone the vote, so no one could feel indispensable.
Universal suffrage is the ultimate rigging. It creates a vast supply of substitutes to keep the inner circle in line.
Universal suffrage is the ultimate rigging.
Your unique skills are a systemic lie. The system wants you standard, cheap, and easy to discard. Uniqueness is a bug in the code. The machine only runs on identical parts that can be swapped instantly. Uniqueness is a bug in the code.
The fear of the queue is the glue of power. If you don't obey, 1,000,000 others will.
The grid has no room for individuals. It only has room for functions. You are a function that is currently active.
The grid has no room for individuals. The world is a factory. Stop trying to be special. You are just a variable to be swapped.
The pool is the graveyard of the ambitious. You are either the one who owns the belt or the one on it.
The pool is the graveyard of the ambitious.